It was important for Securian Canada to get involved in the CFL Diversity in Football program because we believe in having a meaningful societal impact.
This was an amazing opportunity to let people that look like me break out into these areas that normally would be quite tough without programs like this.
You get to set the tone, right? You get to make the representation for kids who are coming up and young people who are coming up behind you.
I would have never thought about, taking this step and going out of my way to kind of come out to this camp if it wasn't for programs like this.
The program provides participants with opportunities to work with the CFL team to build their skill set, but also to build their communication skills, to develop their networks, and we hope to develop, long-lasting mentors and advocates that will help them at various stages in their careers.
Being able to have a lot of different conversations with coaches and learning from them and their experiences in the game.
I am leaving a much better coach than I came here, and I'm really excited because everything that I've gotten here is going to make me a better coach in the communities that I serve.
So this program has provided me the opportunity to get my foot in the door. I've learned a lot and I really appreciate everyone here.
If someone was looking to coach at the CFL level or be a support person or being in personnel, this is the way to do it.
Big shout out to Securian. Thank you so much for allowing me to have this experience. It's been a great one this far.
Diversity for us has to be paired with inclusion. If you have, whether it's in business or in sports, having diverse teams leads to better outcomes and better chances of winning.